Hello everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Please click on the bell icon. You will get all the notification of my new videos and let's get started. Today I'm going to make a vegetarian dish and it's going to be very tasty and very delicious. I'm going to make a Tinda Sabzi. I'm going to show you delicious way to make it a Tinda Sabzi. First thing, we're going to peel it, then wash it, and then we're going to cut into long thin slices. 1 teaspoon fresh ginger, half onion, garlic clove, 2 of these, 1 green chili, coriander powder, salt, turmeric powder, cumin seed, half teaspoon each, and quarter teaspoon garam masala. For our tadka, olive oil, you can use any vegetable oil. Ginger, garlic, green chili cut into small chunks. Onion we cut into long thin slices. Cut into thin slices. This sabji will be very tasty and very delicious. You're going to like it. Please try it this way. And let's start making our delicious Tinda Sabzi. Start gas. 1 tablespoon olive oil. You can use any vegetable oil. As the oil start to heat up, I'll bring cumin seed, jeera. I'll bring ginger, garlic, and we're going to cook them like 20 seconds. Cooking for 20 seconds, I'm going to bring green chili, mix it well, and we'll cook additional 10 seconds. This is good enough. Now I'll bring onion. Mix it well. I'll bring gas to medium and we're going to saute our onion on medium gas. Cooking our onion for 2 minutes. I'll bring all the spices. Salt, coriander powder, turmeric powder, garam masala, mix it well. We're going to cook the spices along with the onion for 1 minute. Cooking our spices along with tadka for 1 minute on medium gas. I'll bring Tinda Sabzi. Mix it well. Once the tadka is nicely combined with our Tinda Sabzi, on medium gas, we're going to cover with the lid and we're going to cook it for 5 minutes. After 3 minutes, I'm going to open it and then I'm going to stir it so it won't get burned. Mix it well, then cover it again for 2 more minutes. Cooking for exactly 5 minutes, I'm going to turn the pan on. As you see, there is no more moisture. I'm going to turn off the gas. And the last ingredient now, I'm going to bring the fresh cilantro. I'll add the cilantro, I'm going to mix it, and I'm going to dish out. The delicious vegetable sabji is all ready. Our tasty and delicious vegetarian dish, Tinda Sabzi. Please try it. Please share your comments below. I'm going to see you soon with another recipe. And if you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe. And for my auto DIY videos, please click on Sidhu DIY. Thank you. Bye-bye.